how to customize the Preview Markup Toolbar on your Mac. If you want quick access to your favorite annotation tools in Preview, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open any PDF or image in the Preview app. Next, click the Show Markup Toolbar button near the top of the Preview window if the Markup Toolbar isn't already visible. Now, click View in the menu bar. Select Customize Toolbar. A customization window will appear with the available toolbar items. Drag your preferred tools onto the toolbar, remove tools you don't need by dragging them off, or rearrange the existing icons to match your workflow. Once you're happy with the layout, click Done to save your changes. Your customized toolbar will now be available whenever you use Preview on your Mac. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.